Here comes the hole-in-one for Michelle. She hits it. It's bouncing around. It's ricocheting. No hole-in-one.
Hole-in-one.
No. And here we are at the championship. The ball's in. Oh, goal!
I'm gonna hurt my arm, yeah. I got no defense.
What's up, babe?
Hi.
Hello.
Jamaica Mon.
Hello.
Hi. I can see my feet through the water. Let's see. Woo.
Michelle.
Hi.
What's up, guys? Where we at?
Grand Cayman Islands.
Where we at, Jordani?
We're in the Grand Cayman.
Ma'am, look. Hello. She's right here. Oh wait, what you say?
Find your beach. Corona.
Caronita. Look it through the bottle. Look. It's a commercial. What you got, baby?
Fry fries.
Royal Palms Beach Club was awesome. So much fun. But that's a wrap on that. We're out of here. Let's get into some more trouble. This was an awesome find. Here we are at Guy Harvey's shop and gallery. Upstairs is our gallery. Downstairs is his shop where you can buy all his Guy Harvey merchandise. When you're in the Grand Caymans, make sure you put this on your to-do list. It's definitely worth checking out. What? Talk about a blast from the past. Man, who didn't have a Swatch watch when they were a kid? We had to check this place out. Yeah, of course, Michelle had to get her little Swatch watch on. Looking good, girl. Thank you. Come on, baby. Hi. Good, dude. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, give me my coos, man. Unless it's hard to get to. Oh, let me get a picture. Beercita. 1, 2, 3.
Budweiser and Michelob.
Oh yeah. What does it show?
Seafood platter. Codfish. Conch fritters. What's this one?
Lobster fritters.
Lobster fritters and calamari.
And calamari. Boom.
On the way back to the ship. Bye, Cayman Islands. See you next year.
Where we going? We finally brought her back home. I hope they let her back on the boat. We finally got the Mexican back to her homeland.
You're retarded, not doing that.
Where are we, baby?
Ay, Mexico.
mi guitarra para ti, María Isabel. Coge tu sombrero y póntelo. Vamos a la playa, calienta el sol. Coge tu sombrero y póntelo. Vamos a la playa, calienta el sol. Piriri, poropopom. Piriri, poropopom. Piriri, poropopom. Para ti, María Isabel.
Oh, look. Cheers. Woo. Michelle's drinking the most exotic Mexican drink ever.
Fenta, Fenta. Don't you wanna Fenta, Fenta?
And we got some ceviche and some shrimp and some tacos. That ceviche looks good, baby.
Coge tu sombrero y póntelo. Vamos a la playa, calienta el sol. Coge tu sombrero.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to look at you. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, man.
Poropopom. Piriri, poropopom. Para ti, María
I'm at Sancho's Beach. Had the best massage. 30 minutes, $50. Can't beat it. It was wonderful.
Not at her Sancho's Beach. The place is called Sancho's.
In Cozumel, Mexico.
Yeah, hers. You're right. Yeah.
Se me hace lore tus ojos y tu forma de mirar. La luna fue caminar sobre las olas del mar. Se me hace lore tus ojos y tu forma de mirar.
Tengo deudas y tengo sueldo y pago impuestos. Yo ya estoy muerto, no tengo pelo. Ya me besaron, ya me rezaron, hasta el panteón.
Thanks for watching the video, y'all. I hope you enjoy the pics. Like they say, when you're on a cruise, you're either going to be that type of person who's going to love it or who's going to hate it. There's no middle ground, and I can tell you both me and my wife loved it. Since we did go on this cruise, we learned a lot. Things we might do differently next time. Things we are definitely going to do again. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and we'll make sure we get back to you, and hopefully we can help you on your first cruise. And if you've been on a cruise before, you already know exactly what I'm talking about. We're in a little bit of a shell shock. We really enjoyed it. Already booked our next one. So get out there and enjoy yourselves. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'm TJ. I'm out of here. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you.